How is digital marketing important for business? Chandan Mishra says, digital marketing is a prominent factor in today's modern business sector. The approach has generated millions of dollars worth of revenue for brands across the globe. In addition, its relevance is not going to fade in the years to come either. Look around you, and you will notice that almost every person is using or carrying a smart device. Digital marketing leverages this fact, and helps brands promote their products and services worldwide. With modern customers consuming digital content at a staggering rate, the importance of digital marketing is increasing for businesses. However, merely reading these might not answer your question. That is why I will be listing 4 crucial points regarding the importance of digital marketing for businesses. Neo Docto Internship says, because it helps businesses survive online, it is normal for brick-and-mortar businesses to have people come into their store, look around, and leave without buying anything. Many people like these come and go, but only a few will buy something and then come back for more later on. If you get less of the latter and more of the few, your brick-and-mortar business will soon or later be gone. This is how your business could be likened. The business will also close down even if a lot of people come to your website but never buy anything. Digital marketing helps you use proven strategies and techniques that bring in not just more traffic, but highly targeted traffic that works. Digital marketing is all about making sure your business can stay alive by targeting the right people and getting them to do what you want them to do. Majid Nabavi says, with the wave of digital, there have been a lot of advances in all disciplines and marketing has not escaped. No wonder traditional methods of marketing have fallen behind. Digital marketing has taken over and now rules the marketing world. Every business is expected to have a digital marketing strategy in place. Otherwise, they will most certainly fall behind their competitors. Digital marketing is the best option for any company looking to improve its performance. It is simply the best strategy for establishing and mastering a good reputation on the internet. This is why it is critical to implement a digital marketing strategy. 1. For an accessible marketing solution. 2. To build customer loyalty. 3. To gain visibility. 4. To reach your targets with relevant content. 5. To take advantage of advanced analytics. Thanks for watching our video on how is digital marketing important for business.